We all love to go on outdoor adventures, and if you are someone of that kind but tired of those messy picnics, which keep you busy managing things and want a simple setup, then I got something exciting for you. Today we are going to look at the solution that will help you a lot. Guys, this is a Nomad Box. This aims to solve your picnic problem. It is an all-in-one solution that works as a picnic basket, a backpack, a cooler, and even transforms into a table, and has got a lot of other features, so stay tuned till the end. First of all, it has got a lot of different compartments which make packing things even simpler. You can use this compartment to organize your food and drinks, and once needed you can easily get them, avoiding the waste of time in searching. Here, everything has its places which prevent items from shipping during transport, which means your sandwich won't get mixed with other food items. Plus, it is very easy to carry while walking and also while traveling. It has got a total of 3 ways how you can carry this picnic backpack, which means you can freely carry other things like blankets and other stuff. Now let's talk about keeping food cold. Yes, it has got these features as well. It has an insulated cooler compartment that you can utilize to keep your fresh food and drink chilled even on warm days. But wait, there is even more that Nomad Box offers. The box unfolds and transforms into a small, stable table where you don't have to find a surface to cut a fruit or to keep your drinks. And you can even use this as a playing surface to play different kinds of games. This makes it a versatile tool to have while going on a picnic. Also, it is made from a quality material that handles outdoor use without causing any damage to the box. This makes it a durable and easy-to-carry tool that can carry your essentials while going on an outdoor adventure. Overall, this product has the capability of solving a major picnic problem that is faced by a lot of people. So what do you think about this Nomad Box? Can it make your picnic better? Let me know in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. And do share this video with your friends and picnic buddies.
Sandy.